Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Widgy installed, developer mode on, and assets ready. First, create a new widget project and pick the widget type you need: static for display, dynamic for live data, interactive for taps. Then structure your files: manifest, layout, and script. You should connect any API keys now so you avoid blocking later. Once done, scaffold a minimal layout element and confirm it renders in Widgy's preview. This gets you into the build quickly and reliably. You now implement the core layout and logic. Start by defining containers, constraints, and responsive rules so the widget adapts across sizes. Next, add data binding. Map fields to your UI and choose local state or remote fetching with clear refresh intervals. Then implement actions like tap handlers and background fetch. Make sure to debounce and cache results to avoid rate limits. As you integrate, test previews in each size and simulate network variations, so you finish by validating and packaging the widget for release. Run final tests across sizes, offline scenarios, permission prompts, and battery usage. Then update the manifest, sign the package, and publish or export following Widgy's deployment steps. Set update cadence and backups. If something fails, enable verbose logs and reproduce the error in a minimal build to isolate the module causing the issue. Make sure to roll back to a working version if an update breaks users, then fix and redeploy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.